Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to animate on Canva mobile app. Now, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Okay, now just go on bottom, click on elements and select whatever element you want. I'm going with a cat GIF. Okay, now just click on your element and here on bottom, slide to the right and you can see this option animate. Just click on it and you can select whatever animation you want. So I'm going with breath blur. Blur will be good. Now you can also click this enable this option appear on click. So when you will click on the presentation or your video, this animation will appear. Okay. You can also add on effects like rotate, flicker, pulse, wiggle. Wiggle is good. Now go on top and click on this play button and you can see the animation. Just wait a minute. As you can see, so that's it for the video. That's how you can animate on Canva mobile app. Thanks for watching.